So it's been a while since I've talked in a video, and I've been wanting to do a video about our new to us tractor. It is a Case JX85 and 77 PTO horsepower, 79 engine horsepower, 12 speeds, forwards and reverse, shuttle shift, transmission, I don't know, two-wheel drive, no cab, I think 1,400 hours. Yeah, 1,400, 29 hours. We probably put 20 hours on it since we bought it, just hauling rock and stuff. Yeah, none of the lights work. That's the only frustrating part. We bought a new triangle. I installed that. When we bought it, the guy never ever used the 3-point hitch, so that was kind of all seized up. The top link here was all seized up. We soaked it in diesel for 2 weeks. We had to take it all off, soak it in diesel for 2 weeks, loosened right up. Make sure you grease your top links because they are a pain in the butt to get off. Whoever owned this tractor before did not know that he should not tighten up lights too much because they will crack. The rear light's nice when you're backing up the trailers in the dark. It's really fun to drive. You feel like you're on top of the world. It's gonna need new tires really soon, which that's really expensive, so we're not looking forward to that. The drawbar is at 50%. It's got some play in it, but not bad. We just had a service. It's got this front weight adapter. Came with it, the nice pin. Yeah, so that's our new to us tractor. So I just got the trailer loaded up with some rock. I don't want to overload it because we broke the leaf spring on it twice now, and that sucks because you got to take all the stone out to fix it then, and you can't drive it anywhere. So I'm heading up to the wall now, and I'm just taking it slow so I can actually talk and drive at the same time. Yeah, the tractor, you can't even tell there's anything behind it, and there's at least, I don't know how many pounds that is. I'm not good at that, but it's a lot. And I'm listening to these headphones, play FM, AM radio, and I'm driving into a wall. Hold on. Alright. Oh, now into the field. Alright, let's get it straight for a second. There we go. Alright, so these Stanley radio, listen to Froggy. Driving into the field again, let's go. Alright. And these oh my god, stay straight. These radios are nice when you're mowing, they drown out the sound. And stay straight, Jesus. Alright, these radios, they drown out the sound, AM, FM. Highly recommend them for tractor work, lawn mowing. my dad up there. He's spraying the cornfield. Right now it's Wednesday, and over the weekend we're probably gonna be disking and planting corn, soybeans, all the 9 yards. All right, so I'm shifting into the third range here. All you gotta do is the second lever, you pull it back, then you go over and then back again for the third range. And then you always start in first gear in the third range because you'll stall it out if you don't. There we go, it's a lot faster. All right, so every tractor has its own personality with the clutch and the throttle and everything. And now this tractor, when you go into reverse, you gotta go real slow or else it'll grind in the transmission. There's no adjustment for it, and it's been like that ever since it was new. Every tractor is different. So you guys might be wondering what this log is from in the last time-lapse video of me mowing the yard. And we designed that, you know, it's all right. And what you do is you pull it behind your disc, and when you go to plant, there's a nice even level surface. This log, you got to get the right weight log. It's probably 6 inches in diameter. It's a maple. And we got a hitch on the back of our disc, and we put this coupler right through there, and then we pull it behind the disc. Smooths it all out. It's real nice. The only bad thing about it is you can't back up with the disc then. Other than that, this log works great. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh.